Go to the Gonachi dashboard, click on Browse, click on Quotation, then View Quotation. In this page, you will be able to view your requests and contractors will be able to view and respond to quotations submitted by customers. To request contractor's quotation, go to the dashboard, click on Browse Quotation, then Request Quotation. In 4 steps, users will be able to request contractor's quotation. Step 1. Fill out your basic details. Select your user type, country, region, contractor type, your skilled trade, and city. Click on Next to proceed. Step 2. Fill out the quotation details like the quotation title, the unit type, description of housework to be done. Select the start date and the finish date, and also the start time and finish time, all according to your desire. Select the quotation type, the quotation budget, and the destination of the quotation. You can decide to add a YouTube video link for more detailed information of what you want. Add phone number and also make sure to let Gonachi send an email to let you know when a contractor responds to your quotation. Click on Next. Step 3. Add pictures to help enhance your quotation. Click Add Pics to add pictures. Then click on Browse to select a picture from your files or gallery. After selecting the photo, let it upload. And done. Click on Finish. You can decide to add more pics, rearrange, delete, or skip pics. Then click on Next. Step 4. Confirm and submit. Check and confirm all your details and even edit them. Click on Submit to successfully submit your quotation. Click on Finish to view the request and also the responses. You can click on your request to view the details or edit it.